Thank you ni gucoka guku gwa Kikuyu DailyExpress kuria tumemerekagia ndeto ta uria cia kunuka ngikwihoya uthie na mbere gu subscribe. Kikuyu celebrated artist wa nyimbo cia mũgithi Samuel Muchoki wa Ndirango yûikaine ta Samidoh niahithuria breaking news ndeto cia gikeno giake thutha wake kwamukira ngûga kuma thirikarini nene presidential award kuma kwa His Excellency President William Ruto Muini uyu akiamûkira state recognition award yûikaine ta HEAD of STATE Commendation kana mûthe wa mambura ma gukungūira holiday ya Jamhuri Samidoh ariwe huithuritie uhoro uyu wa uhotani uyu munene kuhitukira nenda ciake haria aremetwo ni kuingiriria gikeno giake akiuga ndari aimagine kamwana ka njororoko a village boy ureretwo na thina na ekana ka ndigwa kuri hingo akigwatira ngerenwa kuma thirikarini nene a state recognition ya andu aria mareka maundu very outstanding na kurehera bururi wa Kenya igweta na ugaruruku maturaini na njira mwanya mwanya ota urio kiui Samidoh recently ni arakorirwo akiruguria na crown Samidoh foundation iria ikoretwo igiteithia ciana kuma misirite hotete na misira ina thina hamwe na ciana cia ndigwa thuru kumarihira school fees oho na kuheana irio na gukiriria taranda cia mbeu njithi foundation iria kana iria yahubitwo riri ni munini wa president DP Rigathi wa Gachagua ici ari ndeto cia breaking news. Samidoh imagine at the top list ya andu to be honored by the president na kwamukira state awards kiheo kiria gikumuhotithia kwamukira some privileges from the government through getting support and sponsorship ya activities ya foundation ino yake. Na Samidoh took to social media pages kuonania list ya maritwa his name being in the list na kurumiriria na ndomiriri ino yake akiuga he never imagined in his mind that there will come a day like this to be recognized and being awarded by the government. Samidoh akiuga, today I take a moment to express my gratitude to the Almighty God for the incredible journey I've been blessed with so far. As just an ambitious village boy, I never imagined that life would take me to such an extraordinary path. Every step of the way has been a testament to the power of dreams, hard work, and unwavering support of my loved ones and my fans. I firmly believe that success is a collective effort, and I'm forever grateful for the favor, love, and support from God and from people that surround me. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to His Excellency President Dr. William Ruto for the HEC award and recognition. This is beyond my wildest imagination. Indeed, all dreams are varied. Thank you all for your unwavering love and support. Let's continue doing good as we inspire others along the way. With love and gratitude, Samuel Muchoki HEC uyu ari uhotani wa mwanya both kuri Samidoh na even mashabiki make tukimwira congratulations.